So today we're looking at these new earbuds from Soundpeats, and these are the new PearlClip Pros. Now, we've seen a lot more earbuds coming out that are really designed for you and I to wear. Not necessarily for utmost sound quality, but it's for those of us that really want to be aware of the sound and the things that are happening around us. So we've seen things like bone conduction, we've seen like air induction, and now we're starting to see these, which they kind of just clip on and produce sound. So again, you're not getting rid of all the sound around you. And this can be really important for a lot of people that are in an environment where the outside sound is just something that they need to be able to hear and be aware of. Could be just the surroundings. It could be someone that's working from home and they want a little bit of music playing, or they have their kids running around, or whatever it is, and they want to be able to hear the doorbell ringing, etc., etc. Anyways, these are them, the Pearl Clip Pros. In black. So you'll see here, maybe you can see here, Bluetooth version 5.4. We have some other information. Playtime, it says about 6 hours and up to 24 hours with the charging case. And the battery capacity is 35 milliamp hours for the earbuds and 350 milliamps for the charging case. So that's them. So we're gonna crack these open and take a look at them and give them a listen, see what they sound like. Now, I don't even know if something like this, to be honest with you, has a microphone in it. If it does, we'll give it a listen just to see what it sounds like. Anyways, you get in here a little folder thing with, of course, that's going to have all your, you can download the Pete's audio application. You have a user guide, and they always come with these just weird stickers. I don't quite understand, but not my demographic, I guess. Anyways, it does tell you how I think to put these in. So I'll make sure I give this a little listen. Oh, they do have touch control too. That's kind of nice. So that's all right. Reset, how to reset it. Right and left channel. Excellent. I find with some of these, just the way they're designed sometimes, it's kind of hard to figure out which one goes in which ear and then how they flip around, because they don't go in your ears, right? Anyways, this is them. It's pretty standard kind of case, something that you would see in a lot of the Soundpeats. A little different though in regards to, you got your USB-C charger on the back. Usually you'd see them on the bottom, but it is on the back. And you get, it looks like some LED lights just to see, but they pop up. Maybe they have LED lights. I don't really know what that is for. Oh, that's interesting. You can click it. It's a little click button. That's handy. Anyways, that's them in there. Again, this is black. It's black, but it almost has a blacky bluey kind of color. It feels like, because there's my bracelet in black, right? So it's kind of got a bluish tint to it. Pulling these out, you will see that they do have these little covers on them. So you do want to make sure these come off, because if not, they won't charge at all. They're all over my fingers. So I'm just going to pull these off. They must only go in like one way is my guess. I don't even know which way they go in. That way it looks like. All right, pull them off of both. This, again, will allow these to charge once these are off. All kinds of issues. And then this goes on, right? Your head. There you go. See, it's got a little charge. This goes on your ear. Now, I'm guessing, it's hard to tell, right? I'm guessing that's the charger, and that's the actual speaker. And I guess it just kind of clicks on like so. I don't even know. It's very peculiar, you know. Does it look weird? You guys can see it. Yeah, does it look weird? I would think that the most complex part of it would be putting them in your ears. And that's just my opinion. And, you know, I don't see any kind of, oh, there it goes, right and left channel. So they do kind of say that it just kind of, yeah, it just kind of sits there by where you're in that little ear hole part. It's a little bizarre. Again, just make sure that the charging one is kind of the back of your ear, I guess. And then that just sits there. Now, I will say, comfort-wise, again, like you could wear these forever because nothing's actually in your ear, you know? We'll bring up my phone here just to see Bluetooth-wise if there's anything here that shows up. And it could also be, you know, that they're like discharged. And it could also be that they have to go back in the case so that they actually charge. So that goes in there. And this one, again, you can kind of tell that one goes that way, right? Opened. Anything? Do I have to hold this button down or anything? Does it get them to pair? Let's just see. There he goes. So you hold that button now, she goes into pairing mode. So this should show up here now. Soundpeats PearlClip Pro. Okie dokie. Now I'm also curious in something like this, again, because they're not going to be sealed in your ears, what kind of sound leak they may have. We'll find out. All right, so as far as I can tell, they did they connect? Yeah, connected. There we go. All right. So now we take these out. Again, they go, again, I'm guessing you got to make sure you put them in the right way. Into that little section of your ear hole. And this, again, kind of goes into that section of your ear hole, I guess. I'm guessing that's it. Okay, now I do believe I may actually have the Soundpeats app, which I do. So searching, see if it finds anything. Your earbuds are not yet configured with the app. Please stay tuned. Oh, maybe what happens is the app has not actually been updated yet to handle these. That's my guess. So we got these early. Maybe that's the issue. Anyways, let's go into some music, and I'm gonna play some songs. So a nice, good, loud song by Five Finger Death Punch. Let's just see if we get anything. Yeah, I got full volume. Surprisingly, way better than I expected them to be. No, didn't the full volume. That's not too shabby. No, I'm going to say they're not like necessarily the loudest earbuds in the world, but surprisingly way louder than I thought. And I'll be honest, the sound out of these is fantastic. The low end, really good. Like it's really good. And again, I can hear everything going around. Turn it down. Okay. You got my attention. You do. Let's just go in here and try my standard blinding lights here, which is one I always test. Again, we'll crank them up. The bass is quite surprising. Like the low ends out of them are excellent for something that's not actually going in your ears. And I've tried a couple of different like earring style. Yeah, that's way better than I thought. And you could wear these like forever. Like not even a question, forever. Well, those sound really good. Wow. Oh, my expectations were down here like that now. Way up there. That's okay. So now let's just bring up, I'm curious if they have an actual mic in them because of the way they're styled. I really don't know. So I'm just going to bring up this and we'll go into audio. And yeah, microphone for sure. All right. So let's just turn this over here. We have these set up as my mic, and we'll give this a go. So we are now testing the Soundpeats. I don't know what they're called. What are they called? PearlClip Pros. And now you're hearing the actual microphone from these. Now this is again untouched, so you guys can get an idea of what the microphone is like in them. But if it has any comparison to what the actual audio quality is, the audio quality out of these is fantastic. Really good. All right, let's go back to the other mic. I don't even know what to say. My expectations were like super low. Like, those are fantastic. They're really good. I would have no problems wearing these outside. I'd have no problems wearing them. Like, they say, was it 6 hours on a charge? I would wear them 6 hours and you'd get no ear fatigue at all. They're not, again, to the loudness point that they're, again, the loudest earbuds by any means, but they don't seal in your ear holes, right? So you can't expect them to. I don't know what the sound leak was like. Maybe you guys could hear it. I don't know, but these are going in my bag. I like these. I like these a lot. Anyways, I'm going to put links down to Soundpeats' website and where you can find them if they are available at this point. And yeah, complete win. These are a complete win. I pleasantly surprised. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you guys there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. If you're like a runner or something like that, or just want something to wear around the house or the office or whatever, yeah, definitely consider for sure. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.